After fierceless competition, the finalists are Rafael Santos, Fang Li, Owen Maud, Vincent Vetrovia, and the only perfect co-winner in IKH's century-long history.
This time the top spot's mine.
Noah Mollett, the Hellfire Chef.
Why is he called the Hellfire Chef? Is it because of his mask?
But his pursuit of perfection is astonishing. Also, Mia, his skill set, it's in another league.
Please welcome the only three-pit champion.
I'm offering 10 million up front and 40% of my empire. Give up now.
I've prepared a blank check. He can name his price, and I'm offering him a position of nobility.
We'll see. But where is he?
Noah's gone. The Hellfire Chef, Noah Mollett, is missing.
What am I even paying you for? Go find him now!
Yes, sir.
Miss, have you seen Mr. Noah Mollett?
That way.
I'm getting information his mother is in hospital.
Noah Mollett. Someone leaked your mother's hospital location.
I'm not Noah, but thank you, young lady.
Mobilize 20,000 employees nationwide. We will find him.
Wait. Do we even know what he looks like?
Fuck!
Get yourself to St. Francis Hospital. His mother's just been taken to the intensive care. Let's show the Hellfire Chef what hell really looks like. Make it look like an accident.
Master Chef Noah Mollett disappears.
Conspiracy or accident? The true face of Noah Mollett still remains unknown.
Go.
Hey man, do me a favour. Take this and go beg somewhere else.
Beg?
Come on, you're ruining our image. This is a Michelin restaurant. Come on, you're just a beggar.
So this is your Michelin spirit, huh?
What's wrong with you? You'll never afford a bite here, so one more word out of you and I'm calling security.
Hey, David? I'll take it from here. Hi, I'm Mia, manager here. Can I help you with anything? One sec. Here. Made it this morning, please. There's no need to hold back. I must be starving. Poor guy. Sir, we have some jobs going here. Dishwash. I mean, meals are free on shift. You could take the job.
Do I really look that miserable?
Thank you. I'll be okay.
I mean, at least just come inside for a bit.
He must be embarrassed by how he looks. I must help him.
So what's your name?
No. Nobody.
You really shouldn't be so down on yourself.
Fine. I'm Norman. But I really don't need the job. Thank you.
Mia! Mia! There you are. Listen, who's this guy? Anyway, forget about that. Chef has been missing in action since last night, and now he's 2 hours late for his shift. This has never happened before, okay? We have a Michelin inspector due in for lunch. This could jeopardize our 3 stars. What are we going to do?
Dad's not missed his shift in 30 years. Something's wrong. I never should have left.
I've worked in the kitchen before. If you want, I could help.
Sir, this is a Michelin star established restaurant. The finest of dining. Not McDonald's.
Oh, he's probably some fired line cook.
Thank you for the offer, but we need someone with a bit more experience.
How about you let me prep first and then decide?
You. How dare you set foot in our kitchen?
I'm here for the job.
Job? There's no job here for a homeless man.
Enough, David, for heaven's sake. If he botches chopping, he'll wash dishes. Dad's not here. You need to step up. We're short-staffed, so he stays.
Has anyone got a knife?
Does anyone want a homeless man's germs on their knife?
What's he gonna do with that? Bloke's an amateur.
Another street corn. Only Neil would be kind enough to give him a shot.
That heavy cleaver can't handle more delicate work. Besides, we use premium ingredients. Things you've never even heard of. Lobster, things like that.
He is no amateur.
No big deal. Anyone here can do that.
Let him help with cold prep.
Only if he showers first.
Who let this tramp in? Mia, any word from my brother?
I phoned the police, but right now I have a restaurant to run, so can we talk about this later, Uncle?
Don't act high and mighty, I'm in charge now. You couldn't even look after your father. What makes you think you can manage a place like this?
Uncle, I know your schemes. Plotting to sell this place.
Oh.
You can forget about it. Won't happen.
You're just a woman. Your duty is to marry well, not defy me.
Leave, Victor. We only answer to Mia.
Crown Prince will be arriving soon, along with Miss Madeline. We need to lose all nuts. Prince has severe allergies. Please, cooperate.
Let's see how this pans out, dear niece. You better not screw this up.
This is your recommendations that you build your reputation on, huh? That was disgusting. Your Michelin star taste, huh? It is not so good.
Your Highness, there are many other dishes.
Like that one? Boring, boring. Ugh, painfully, utterly boring. This is your only country's 3-star, huh? What a disappointment.
This is Dolma's signature. The best Wellington steak in the country.
This could be interesting. Not bad. Just barely good enough for the dog. Where is the food for the humans? Hmm?
Mia! Trying to get me to lose my job. This could spark a diplomatic disaster.
Mia, how did we end up with this idiot? Is he one of Victor's men?
Get this trash out of here.
Do you know the stakes?
I was trying to help you, but you're working for my uncle.
A taste of home. Interesting.
A doctor! Is there a doctor in the room? Is there a doctor in the room?
I'm a doctor. Anaphylactic shock risk. He is an EpiPen now.
Helicopter in 10 minutes.
Anybody got any allergy medication? He needs some help.
I do. I told you not to screw this up.
You set this up.
Prove it. Your Highness, how are you feeling?
You fools! You're finished! You'll have reacted quickly. Expect a reward.
Your Highness, this was definitely a mistake. I mean, we cleared all traces of nuts. Someone is trying to frame us.
Silence! Did His Highness give you permission to speak? You almost caused a diplomatic crisis, for God's sake.
Mia, where is the head chef? Your father must apologize immediately.
He,
Allow me to explain, Your Highness.
Let the man speak.
My brother is missing, and this, my useless niece, ignored all my warnings, and this mess happened. Your Highness, please, ensure justice is served.
There was no head chef. Then who made this? Show yourself!
It wasn't me. It was him.
David, you...
Get on your knees. Finish this, and I'll forgive you. Oh, I meant her.
The Highness is giving you a chance. Do as you're told. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Watch closely. Don't want to spoil His Highness's entertainment, do we?
No, Mia, don't do this.
Mia, oh, Quilla, please do not do this.
I was the one to make the salad. I should be the one to eat it.
I hired you. This is my restaurant. I take full responsibility.
Gutsy. Eat it. And the restaurant is there.
I've never seen a dog go crazy for salad.
Wasn't it just fed? Does it really taste that good?
Dogs' noses are better than ours. Now I'm curious about the taste as well.
Incredible. That's molecular gastronomy.
Congratulations, you have the same taste as a dog. Your Highness, she must stop running this kitchen. She just makes dog food. My real chefs will deliver. Your Highness, I will not fail you.
You watch your mouth. My baby has Michelin star taste. If you like something, that means something, doesn't it? You promise your team won't disappoint?
Yes, Your Highness. Top chefs are on the way, the best of the best. Just one tiny request.
Oh, it's a restaurant. Done. Entertain me, I'll give you 1,000. But you have yet to earn my forgiveness.
We will make amends, Your Highness. But I ask you, please, find the real culprit.
No, I don't care about that. Oh, I just want a duel.
A duel?
Yes, a gladiator-style chef's duel. No death, but loser forfeits ein Hand. No death, but loser forfeits ein Hand.
Your Highness, such terms seem extreme. What if the loser forfeits restaurant rights and culinary licenses instead?
And if word gets out that I had near anaphylactic shock in your country, take this mercy. To earn my forgiveness, the vanquished will offer me a small concession. But for the victor, I will help rebuild your empire 1,000 times over. With some concessions, of course.
Your Highness, my father is missing. If we win, could you mobilise a police force to help find him?
Done. Finding a civilian is easy. We've located desert hostages.
Can you face top chefs?
Am I not a top chef myself? I'll fight for my mentor.
I'm in too.
We accept the duel.
You're sending these two fools? Why not just hand over your restaurant and save your team the humiliation? His Highness may just take pity on you too.
Then allow me to introduce myself. Lawrence Hockney. You may see my name in galleries.
Oh my god. He's $1 million artist. I've seen his work in the National Museum.
And he's a Michelin star chef in Paris. There's no way they're going to win.
Good. The competition will be in 3 courses. Wager your careers. Make this your masterpiece or your swan song. Madeline! You'll officiate!
Teams, gather your chefs. We start with appetizers, then entrees. Impress with originality. Mr. Hockney, you're not only a world-renowned artist, but also a maestro chef. Is painting a mere hobby?
C'est un unfortunate detour, but food is my true canvas. Merci.
Proposing in his restaurant is a guaranteed yes. His food creates magical memories, but you have to book out 3 years in advance.
Interesting.
All style and no substance. A violin isn't going to season your meal.
Exactly. David trained under our very own head chef Richard. Taste is everything.
Don't underestimate him. Pretty plating didn't make him a top chef.
He's going to crawl out of here in shame.
You take this round.
Mia,
Now is not the time to mess around.
Mia, what are you doing? Why are you entrusting the fate of our restaurant to him?
Ever since he arrived, nothing has gone right.
David. Listen. Mia is just testing the waters. She knows this competition's going to get harder. She's saving you for the finale.
Laurence Orkney. And you are
Thomas Prep Chef. First day.
an insult. He is no match for me.
She just dug her own grave. Women know nothing of business. You picked him for his looks, Mia. Falling for the prep chef, your father would be ashamed. All right, Mr. Nobody. Boy, look at me. This'll be your life's high point. And losing the hand, well, that'll be just a cherry on the top, won't it?
First course. Creative appetizer. Let the competition begin. Is he painting with food?
Handsome and creative. Unbeatable.
God, that's why his work is showcased in the National Museum.
I can't even imagine how beautiful the end result's going to be.
Lord, is he still sharpening?
Is this some kind of joke?
Idiot! Cook already!
He actually made a masterpiece. The colours are in harmony and so much detail. Unbelievable.
I'm in love.
Sashimi. How the fuck is that creative?
Oh, Jesus.
Mia, you're screwed.
Mia, you should have let me go first.
Just calm down.
Oh, Mia, your stupidity has never let me down. Here's to the easiest victory I've ever seen. Oh, God.
I present to you Pulse Sashimi.
Is this a dream? Glowing fish?
Did he just project a hologram?
How? It was so poetic.
Magic. He must be a wizard.
C'est a projector, surely. There's no other explanation.
No projector. Just food. It's Ono Yamamoto's legendary technique. 200 slices per second, severing nerves without killing reflexes. The fish appears alive. But the glow?
I had the honor to work under Ono-san and studied at Lindström.
The Swedish food lab. They showed wasabi triggers bioelectric cascades severing nerves. The wasabi triggers a bioelectric reaction, lighting the luciferin. And the plating.
It's designed to pulse a hologram when you disturb it.
This precision. Genius.
The approach is novel. For the appetizer, Dolma wins.
Talent.
You're even better than I hoped.
I could have let you down.
This is a cooking competition, not a seminar. If you're so smart, go be a scientist. It's just a lucky trick.
How is this possible? He's just a prep cook.
I paid you a bloody fortune. So fix this now, or I chop both your hands off myself before then nobody wins.
Von that mysterious chef way. They stand no chance.
Get him now! He better be worth a high bonus. Your Highness, I provided your allergy remedy. Please grant me extra time to find an extra chef.
Who is your new chef?
A mysterious culinary legend.
Mysterious bullshit.
He's just stalling.
Your Highness, the missing Hellfire chef is here. Noah Mole.